5 ways to be more accountable in your life. Accountability क्या है? Accountability is all about taking responsibility of your actions, of your life, of your work, everything, and not blaming others. So hold on, I'm going to share with you 5 ways to be more accountable. The first is to set a goal for yourself. Yes, you need to have a long-term goal, and to fulfill and achieve that long-term goal, you need to have those micro goals, short-term goals also. ताकि आपको अपनी प्रोग्रेस और अपने गोल तक का रास्ता अच्छे से पता हो. Those short-term goals will help you reach your long-term goal faster. The second one, really important, it's important to have a timeline. You can't just go on and on forever. You need to have a timeline. किस चीज के लिए आप accountable हो और कब आप चाहते हो कि वो complete हो जाए. You need to know that. अब जर्नी स्टार्ट कर ली है, बट यू ऑल्सो नीड टू वर्क ऑन योर माइंड सेट. सो एडजस्ट योर माइंड सेट अकॉर्डिंगली. इफ यू हैव डाउट्स इन योर माइंड, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू रीच योर गोल इजिली. सो अपने माइंड सेट पे ध्यान दीजिए, अपने थॉट्स पे ध्यान दीजिए. आप लर्न फ्रॉम योर mistakes from the past so that you can move forward. Focus on all the positives that are around you. The next one is very important. Know your value systems. Know the values, your core strengths. Because based on these values, you're going to be taking decisions. और अगर किसी decision में आप खुश नहीं हो, then please identify, are you taking those decisions based on your values? Because these values are going to motivate you and encourage you to reach your goal and be more accountable. And the last one is really important. Please know your strengths. Emphasize them. Do not put your focus only on your weaknesses and how to improve them. Side by side अपनी weaknesses पे काम करते रहिए. But it is very important to know your strengths and play on your strengths. So these were the 5 tips how to be more accountable in life. Do let me know how do you manage accountability and what do you do to be more accountable. और अगर आपको ये tips पसंद आई हो तो like करिएगा and connect with me, stay connected and save it for later so that you can come back to these tips again.